31 from Cagayan Province. 31. 31.
So, sa panahon yung mga pinagkakabalan?
As of now, I managed to score, which is in the food industry, so I'm a manager for it.
Ali, first study ko ba? Or, napaka-experience niyo ba sa pageant before?
Actually, I joined pageant as 2023 in the Mr. International Philippines.
Kamusta ka lang?
I won one of a crown and I didn't compete internationally. That's why I joined again in this prestigious Mr. Philippines inaugural competition.
Kamusta naman yung journey mo pagdating? Sa palagay mo pa bibilang kayo yung pageant na yun sa Mr. Philippines?
I believe that my journey there was full of different experience. Like I managed myself to na-convert yung sarili ko into from introvert to extrovert. So I managed to have connections and relationships, especially the part of the organizations. And I also built myself my confidence since I'm very afraid sa maraming tao. You know. I believe my experience there is something that will help me also, that I will use that experience to bring my experience here in this competition. And just only that I have my advocacy there before, but also I believe that I can show more in this competition. Kung anong kaya ko pang maibigay o ipakita din sa competition. Alam ko na may kaya kong din yung sarili ko sa competition na hindi ko nagawa ng mga panahon ko sa last pageant ko sa Mr. International. Actually, I really don't have any idea the difference since it's my first time joining here in this Mr. Philippines. But my expectation here at Mr. Philippines is I will be more better version of myself and also to share my knowledge and experience to build my relationship with others and having connections with other people. We want to all here joining in this competition. Thank you.
Paano ka uwi? Crap? LRT tayo. Kubaw na lang tayo. Kasi para isang sakay. Saan ako? Wala sakay. Saka ba sa lower, upper?
Upper tayo, di ba? Sabi mo.
Ay, may lower. Dalik sa may ano. Sa may